I just made $31,720 with affiliate marketing in just 23 days using YouTube. I'm not showing you this to brag, I'm showing you because the old way of affiliate marketing died in 2025. If you are still trying to create a blog or spam links on Facebook, you have already lost. Today, I'm breaking down the steps, search methods I use it to scale my affiliate marketing business from zero to over $30,000 per month. Okay, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly how this business works, and I'll share with you my methods that I'm using to scale my affiliate marketing business to over $30,000 per month just by using free traffic. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions. This is my affiliate account dashboard. This is my commissions, my clicks, CTR, people who used my affiliate link to sign up to this affiliate marketing program that I will share with you, and people who used my affiliate link to buy those products or services that I'm promoting. Okay, and just last month, guys, I have made $35,695 and it's paid. This is my invoice. You guys can see here the payment, recent payment request details. It's paid. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates, as you can see here. So here is what you will do. Just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr homepage. You just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go over here to company, and you should see here affiliates. You will click on affiliates. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliates website. You guys can scroll down and check this affiliate marketing program, and you can check the commission plan and see how much they are paying. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying good commissions. So guys, for pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order. Okay, the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. The same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months. For 1 year, you will keep earning 10% revenue share, which is really, you can turn this into a passive income, and they are really paying good commissions. For other services, it's paying 25% of the first order. It's still a good commission. Okay, anyway, you guys can check this website. If you want to create your affiliate account, go back here and click on join now. It's gonna take you to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name here, your last name, your email address, and your username and your password. Confirm your password again, go to account tab and make it private. They will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? You guys will click here and click on yes. I want you to pay close attention here. Okay, so to get your account approved fast, you will go and create a social media page that you will use to promote those Fiverr services. Okay, so for example, if you want to promote those services on YouTube, you will go and create a YouTube channel and upload at least up to 5 videos about Fiverr services. Okay, for example, video is talking about video editing service, another video is talking about logo design, another video is talking about Facebook ad service, and so on. Okay, so your account like this will get approved fast, and you will put your social media profile link here, your YouTube channel link, your Pinterest profile link, your Instagram profile link, your TikTok profile link, any social media profile link that you will use. Okay, scroll down, go to country and choose your country from here. Okay, and you guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. And click here, choose your language, and that's it. If you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, so it's clear. So what you will do next, guys? Okay, Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard, okay? So you need to promote services that has high demand. You need to promote services that people are already searching for, okay? And the best platform that you guys can use to get quality traffic and good traffic is YouTube, okay? Go and open your YouTube account like this, okay? Open a YouTube channel. It's for free and it's easy. All you need to do is you just need to use your email address, and that's it. Why we choose YouTube and why YouTube is the best traffic source for me, guys, okay? Let me explain this. First, YouTube is search engine platform, okay? And it's the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. And YouTube is getting 30 billion monthly visitors. And millions of people every single day, they come to YouTube and they search for solution for their problems, they search for services, they search for products and more, okay? So that's why you should, guys, use YouTube. You should focus on YouTube. In 2026, the best platform that you guys can use to promote your affiliate links is YouTube, okay? 30 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number, okay? And YouTube, guys, it's not like TikTok, it's not like Instagram, okay? Because on YouTube you create a video, and if you make evergreen videos, those videos can keep getting views for months, even for years, and keep making you commissions, okay? This is why I like YouTube. So here is what you will do next. Now you need to choose good services. How we can choose good services that people are already searching for and that has high demand? You will use YouTube search bar. Click on the search bar and ask question. Let's ask, for example, how to grow Instagram as an example, okay? How to grow Instagram, and here you go. And here you go. You see, I just typed questions and YouTube will give you guys the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction, okay? You guys can see this is what people are searching for. This is the topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to grow Instagram followers, how to grow Instagram from zero, how to grow Instagram fast, how to grow Instagram followers 2026, okay? So this audience will be interested to buy this service, okay? Go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and search for Instagram promotion, okay? Search for this service, Instagram promotion. Scroll down and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service. So what you will do next for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose sellers that has a lot of reviews, like level 2 seller, top rated sellers and pro sellers, okay? Let me choose one. So let's choose one of those sellers. I think this one is a good one. You guys can see this one, it's pro seller, which is really good. It has over 1,000 reviews and this service starting from $100, which is good, okay? I will click on this service. So just click on the service that you guys want to use and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm sharing with you what's working right now. You guys can see here, I'm sharing with you everything you need to start a successful affiliate marketing business. You guys can see that we have over 5,000 people paid for this service, over 5,000 reviews, meaning that over 5,000 people paid for this service. Those people just who leave reviews, because a lot of people they buy and they leave, okay? People keep coming back, which meaning that this service, guys, is evergreen service, meaning that people can keep buying this service, guys, from you over and over and over, and you will keep earning the 10% commissions that I explained in the beginning, okay? You guys can see here we have 173 orders in queue. Already people are placing orders, already people are buying this service. So this service has high demand. So which people will buy this service, guys? Which people will be interested to buy Instagram promotion to grow followers? It's the same audience. It's this audience on YouTube who search for how to grow Instagram followers fast in 2026, fitness account, fast followers. So what you need to do next, guys, is you need to copy this seller profile link, okay? Pay close attention, copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account homepage and click over here and you have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, you will click here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. So this will be your affiliate link, guys. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, always you will copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, you will copy your affiliate link from here. Fiverr Marketplace new plan. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option. But anyway, it's almost the same like even Fiverr Pro new plan. It's good, okay? It's a good plan, okay? This new plan is really good, okay? Look, I just show you the foundation of how this works, and you can definitely take this and try to piece the rest together on your own. But if you want to skip the 6 months of trial and error and account bans and wasted ad spend, I have created a complete step-by-step affiliate marketing course. It's not just more videos, it's my exact step-by-step blueprint, the template I use, and how do I use AI to create a faceless content that I'm using to promote my affiliate offers on YouTube, on Reddit, on Quora, on Pinterest, and more. Okay, if you are ready and you want to stop trying and start scaling, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and they will send you all the details. I already have a lot of students from different countries, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, who followed my methods, and they are making good results. Okay, so if you want to start working with me, feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will send you guys all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. So what we need to do next, guys, is we need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, you will go to YouTube and you guys need to create a YouTube video. Okay, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. You can use completely free AI tools to create a faceless video that is talking about this Instagram promotion service on Fiverr, about Fiverr. Okay, how this Instagram service promotion will help people to grow their Instagram account, to grow this, you will target this audience who search for how to grow followers, Instagram followers fast, okay, on YouTube. Okay, and you will make a faceless video, upload your video on YouTube. Guys, it's for free. You can use free AI tools to create a full faceless YouTube video that you guys can use. Okay, and use this title, guys, how to grow Instagram followers in 2026. Use those keywords that people are already using to search for this topic. Okay, so that's how we can target this audience who search for how to grow Instagram followers, and you can make commissions. Okay, it's the business model. It's simple. Okay, I shared with you everything. Okay, and once you finish, you will upload your video to your YouTube. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you will just copy your affiliate link from here, and you will go back to your YouTube video, put your affiliate link in your video description, and you don't need subscribers, and you don't need an affiliate website or a website. You can put your affiliate link on YouTube description like that. Okay, and that's exactly, guys, how I scaled my affiliate marketing business to over $30,000 per month using YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, so how much we will earn for this service, guys, this service, it's pro. Okay, it's from pro seller, so just the basic package, it's starting from $100. Okay, some people can buy standard package and some people can buy premium package. Okay, let's take as an example just the basic package, $100. If you remember, for pro services, we will earn 70% of the first order. Okay, so 70%, guys, of $100 is $70. Okay, $70. It's a good commission, guys. It's a really a good commission. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I almost shared with you everything, the service that you need to promote, how we can find people who will be interested to buy the service from you. Go and create a video using AI, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.